Now I will show you butterfly making with the paper. Okay, follow the instructions and make a butterfly. First you have to draw one big circle. And one side is a small circle. After you have to cut these circles. And another circle also we have to cut same like this. After you have to fold this circle opposite sides. You have to fold this like a zigzag. Okay, this over, and another circle also we have to fold like this only. Okay, our folding is over. After we take some glue and put it on middle of this zigzags. Middle of zigzags we have to keep some glue like this. Next we have to take some another color paper. Take a one straight strips. See like this. We have to take another color, and this one also we have to attach with the glue only. These two antennas is ready for butterfly. Okay, our butterfly is ready. See this. One more butterfly. You also make a like this butterfly and make a video, post it in our homework group. Okay children, bye.